Good morning. This is Dr. Pradnya Raut from MIT's Bhujbal Knowledge City Institute of Engineering, Nasik. These are the details of video which is published in last week in International FDP on Environment and Sustainability. Now let's see ISO standard for Environmental Management System. ISO 14001 is the international standard that specifies the requirement for an effective environmental management system. It provides the framework then organization can follow, and a few factors are mentioned here from that framework, that is context of the organization, then leadership, planning, support, operation, then performance evaluation and improvement. So the standard related to environmental management that exists to help organization how their operations can minimize negative effect on environment, comply with the applicable laws, regulations and their environmentally oriented requirements and continuous improvement in above. International Organization for the Standardization, that is ISO, is the part of management system used to manage environmental aspects, fulfill compliances obligations and address risk and opportunities. The framework in the ISO 14001 standard can be used within plan, do, check, act approach for the continuous improvement. The organization, if are following all the norms and regulations given by the ISO 14001, can help them in many regard. They can improve their resource efficiency, they can reduce waste, drive down cost, provide assurance that environmental impact is being measured, gain competitive advantage in supply chain design, increase new business opportunities, meet legal obligation, increase stakeholder and customers trust, improve overall environmental impact and manage environmental obligations with consistency. The plating industry has a specific environmental aspect that deal with spill and waste management associated with the chemical use, as well as the common aspect like the energy uses from the machineries. Once you have identified this aspect, you can then determine how they impact the environment and thus determine those that could potentially cause the most significant environmental impact, called significant environmental aspect. There are many environmentally hazardous chemicals used in the plating industries also, but understanding which chemicals your organization uses, that are the most important to control. In plating industries, waste management disposes have to do in a safe and efficient manner. In case of plating industries, in every company there are some common steps in the waste management process. Let's see what the steps are. Evaluate your waste, store your waste, label the waste, transport, dispose your waste properly, plan your emergencies, train personnel, keep records. In case of electroplating industry wastage from different processes like bath and water rinsing operations, since use rainwater in usually a major waste stream, the effluent is to be analyzed with respect to different parameters like pH, EC, TDS, chloride percentage, alkalinity of effluent, total hardness of effluent, calcium, magnesium, nitrates present in the effluent, and the most important thing, that is carcinogenic chromium 6. This is particularly obtained in the effluent of plating industry. So before the discharge of effluent, we have to check, we have to analyze these parameters, and we have to check its threshold limits, and if they are found, if you are implementing all the rules and regulations and norms of ISO 14001, we can make even electroplating industry eco-friendly. Thank you so much.